Mental health is defined as a state of mind characterized by emotional well-being, good behavioral adjustment and relative freedom from anxiety and disabling symptoms and the ability to deal with life's demands and maintain productive relationships. No matter who you are or where you are in life, there are always steps you can take to improve or maintain your mental health. Engaging in healthy lifestyle habits and taking care of yourself is not always easy, especially when life's demands get in the way. Access to specific tools and methods to improve mental health can always be of value in one way or another. Here are 10 ways to care for your mental health. Number 10. Exercise. One of the best ways to obtain good mental health is by exercising. Exercising releases endorphins that relieve stress and improve your emotional state. For this reason, exercise improves your mental health and works against negative emotions, such as anxiety, stress and sadness. Number 9. Surround yourself with good people. The company that you keep will have an enormous impact on your mental health. It is critical to make sure the people around you are supportive, positive and good for you. Being around the wrong people can contribute to mental illness and also invite additional problems into your life. Number 8. Don't be afraid to put your needs first. If you always put other people first, you will always come last. Be aware of when you need to look out for yourself. It is essential to know when to put your mental health and your needs first. Number 7. Get a good night's rest. Getting a good night's rest is critical to improving your mental health. When you sleep, your brain and body recharge. This helps you to be at your best during your waking hours. Sleep is a necessity to maintain psychological functions. Consistently getting good and healthy sleep has been linked to improving learning and memory functions, both of which impact your mental health. Getting a good night's rest can significantly improve your mental health even in ways that aren't apparent. Number 6. Keep a journal. Writing down your thoughts in a journal is therapeutic and can assist you in processing your emotions. Keeping a journal is a great stress reliever. Writing in a journal even a few times a week can positively contribute to your mental health. Number 5.
Cut out bad habits. Bad habits can do some serious damage to your mental health. What's even worse is that it can be challenging to realize when you are engaged in those behavior habits as they become so familiar and ingrained. Cutting out bad habits may be tough in the beginning, but it gets easier with time, and you will thank yourself for it later down the line, especially when your mental health improves.
Number 4. Take up a new hobby. Sometimes, improving your mental health means pushing or challenging yourself. This is where taking up a healthy, new hobby can prove to be valuable. Ideally, this hobby should be something that you enjoy and can do on a semi-regular basis. Ask a friend to take up a new hobby with you or go at it alone. The choice is yours. Either way, trying something new can often provide a boost to your mental health. Number 3. Give yourself time. As you work on improving your mental health, don't forget to be patient and give yourself time. Bettering yourself always takes time, patience and consistency. Improving your mental health is no different. There is no race, competition or anyone else you should be trying to keep up with. When improving mental health, your only focus is yourself. You may also find that you learn more about yourself and who you are while you're on your mental health journey. Number 2. Meditate. Another popular way to alleviate stress and care for your mental health is to meditate. Studies have shown regular meditation can reduce your blood pressure and symptoms of depression and anxiety. If you've never meditated before, Go check out Headspace by downloading the app or just type meditation in YouTube search and choose a guided meditation. Number 1. Laugh out loud. Laughter really is good medicine. Humor is good for your mental health. It has been found to release feel-good hormones, increase optimism, improve your mood over time and improve relationships by increasing connection and intimacy. When it comes to mental health, seek help when you need it. There are many effective treatments available for people experiencing mental health difficulties. Psychologists have a range of approaches that can help you with whatever issues you may be experiencing. Remember, delaying treatment or dropping out too early can make recovery slower and other problems could arise. If you or someone you love needs treatment for a mental health condition, don't hesitate to call a mental health care provider and make an appointment. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.